I know it's been a while. I have missed talking to you guys, and now that I feel like I have settled down a little in my life, mentally also, I can like get back to like regular vlogging and sharing that part of my life with you guys. Month end mein na thoda mere pati ka kaam kam ho jata hai. So I told him we have to go to the mall today because there are a lot of sales that's going on and I want to shop. I woke up super hungry. So I'm gonna first make my coffee and then we'll get ready for the day. I wanted to talk about my new hair care. My hair quality has just gotten worse because of a change in water since I recently shifted. Plus, non-stop use of heat. The last time I went to a salon, my hairdresser noticed dry, damaged hair. I have a lot of split ends and hair breakage. So he recommended I use the Matrix Opti repair for my damaged hair. It has been more than a month since I started using this and I tell you this has made my hair appear a lot better. Right now I just use their shampoo and conditioner. Now I'll go ahead and use their Porosity spray. This is infused with B5 and liquid protein. Nourishes the hair and helps repair hair strength to reduce breakage in dry, brittle and damaged hair. It has 5-in-1 benefits which are smoothens cuticle damage, helps protect hair from the heat styling, balances hair pH, repairs and restores hair damage from the first use, reduces split ends from the first use, targets and fills gaps in cuticles after every use and reduces hair breakage by up to 99%. So let's go ahead and apply this. The spray also has a lock technology which allows you to lock and unlock the product, which makes it super travel friendly. Matrix Opti Repair Resin is available on Nykaa and here's how you can order yours. Okay guys, so I am ready to go. Pretty basic outfit but it's very comfortable right now and yeah, Mr. Husband is here. We're going with the cab. I'm going to keep my camera home and vlog from my phone so the quality will be a little, but please adjust. Okay, anyway, super hungry, so let's go. So we made it to one of the biggest mall in Navi Mumbai. तो यहाँ पे H&M है and थोड़े बहुत और ब्रांड्स है जहाँ पे मैं हर जगह पे मेरे को जहाँ पे बोर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं सब जगह पे फ्लैट 40, फ्लैट 50, सेल यही सब दिख रहा है. I'm so tempted to buy things now. Don't you think we should do that challenge where you just give me certain amount and I go and shop?
Yeah, $1,000.
Oh no! Decided to join us, the cuties. Yeah. Less oil, chili oil. You for trying out oils on Pika for the first time.
ठीक है, एक तरफ हो गया, एक तरफ ये वाला डाल. ये बस. अब क्या करना है इसको मिक्स?
हाँ, खा ले.
ऐसी मुंह में डालेगा ना एकदम गीला हो जाएगा. फिसल जाएगा डायरेक्ट.
एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल गिरा देते हैं और ये
पत्ता भी गिरा दिया. निकाल दे सैलेड.
वो कौन सी चीज है? बकरी
चिली वाला अच्छा है एक्चुअली में.
मैंने बोला चिली ट्राई कर.
चिली ऑयल अच्छा है.
कैसा फील हो रहा है? तेल जैसा.
ऑयली फील हो रहा है क्या?
ऑयली फील हो रहा है.
ऑयली. ये ऑयली हो गया.
ऑयल स्पाइसी. So we are done eating. He's still eating, and Kritika is waiting to shop. So we are gonna go now, rush and shop. That's the plan. I'm sold out only in my shade. I'm trying to find concealer which is like my shade and not sold out. Too dark.
Yeah, this is too dark.
I tried this one, but even I find this also dark. Maybe not for my face. Guys, this box right here, I think this is worth like 30,000? More than that maybe. But don't worry, मैं सबके लिए नहीं ले रही. मेरा सब इतना सा है. बाकी
कितना सा है तेरा?
इतना सा.
इतना सा। और
बाकी
ये
कृतिका का है.
कृतिका। ठीक। ठीक।
Now we are going H&M because वहाँ पे भी sale है. So we'll buy some clothes for him maybe and some for me and look. शॉपिंग हो गया, मॉल के बाहर आ गए हैं हम. बारिश हो रही है हल्की सी. वी वेटिंग फॉर द कैब टू कम. तो एक अच्छा सरप्राइज था आज के लिए. पहले सिर्फ हम दोनों रहने वाले थे पर भैया ने सरप्राइज दे दिया. इसके भाई ने, बड़े भाई ने आके.
come tomorrow.
Yeah.
Surprise दिया.
So yeah, good surprise. And then Yufa and Pratika also joined, which was like totally unplanned for.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyway, now we'll just sit in the cab, reach home. उसको काम है बहुत, stream करना है and all that. So he's like rushing, full stress में. ऐसे पहुंच जाऊंगा टाइम पे, पहुंच जाऊंगा टाइम पे, टाइप से उसका अभी. But I'm very chill. Yeah. Anyway, dinner तो हो गया. देखते घर पे जाके वापस भूख लगती है तो खाएंगे कुछ.
डन से. अभी देख कैब कहाँ पे, वरना यहाँ पे व्लॉग करते रह जाएंगे.
How does it feel to marry me?
छाता दो बैग.
Aww. Guys, such a caring husband I have. Wow, nice dance, nice dance. Yeah, let's go. How did you sleep while coming? How can you sleep?
I can't sleep. That's just eyes closed. Taking
Acha.
rest.
Okay. Okay guys, so we just reached home and I just wanted to show you guys this one thing from H&M that we got. By the way, just in case if you don't know, top, bottom both H&M today. And it's so funny. I'm not going to show you everything that I got because I'm planning to do like a shorts on that, YouTube shorts and reel maybe. So yeah, anyway. Literally got the same thing because it was on discount, I think, or not. Oh no, it was not on discount. Never mind. But I literally got the same pants. Just I feel like the fabric is different. This is more comfortable. This is like cotton-like. This is polyester, I think. So that's the only difference. But it's literally the same thing. Anyway, also one more thing I'll show you quickly. It's this. Yeah. Heart-shaped glasses. Like, don't ask why. Please just don't. It's 9:45 and my husband wants to have tea right now. I don't know, but he's that kind of person who will just have tea once in a day in the morning. But अगर उसको वो चाय मेरी बनाई हुई नहीं मिले तो वो वापस मांगता ही है दिन में. So yeah, it's just his thing now, I think. Or I make good teas. I think that also can be possible. आइए चाय बनाते हैं.
Hey, you made tea? Thank you.
खुद ही बोला फिर बोलता है न्यू मेड टी.
थोड़ा मेरे को लगा नहीं तूने बोला है.
वाओ. हाँ.
ए जेट.
गाइस उसका बैकग्राउंड इतना.
What are you watching? Hey vlog. Hey Pinky vlog.
हे पिंकी का ब्लॉग. ये पिंकी नहीं, ध्वनि. So now that everything is done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my makeup. So gamer in me just couldn't resist. I turned on my PC for something, but then something else happened. So first my husband invited me to play with him, but now they don't need a player. So I anyways went live. And I'm gonna now play some chill games and just chill, play some nice music in the background and just chat with my other channel subscribers. So this is my usual setup. यहाँ पे कमेंट्स पढ़ती हूँ मैं एंड यहाँ पे गेम खेलती हूँ. एक अलग से व्लॉग करेंगे वेर आई शो यू गाइज माई प्रोडक्टिव डे इन माई लाइफ ऑल्सो, बट अभी के लिए तो यही है. So I just got done with the stream. It's like almost 3 now. It's time for me to sleep. This is my usual, like if I stream at night, then it happens. Otherwise, I stream in the morning, daytime also, which hasn't happened this month. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I plan to do this more. So let me know if you have any suggestions or ideas in the comments below. And that's about it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye. I almost forgot about that.